Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Trust Wallet to Binance step by step. Open Trust Wallet and tap Settings, then choose Wallet Connect to begin pairing with Binance. On Binance, select Connect Wallet and scan the QR code or tap the deep link to approve. Confirm requested permissions and review the address carefully before authorizing any transaction from Trust Wallet to Binance. Start by opening Binance and navigating to the Wallet Connect option in the app or website. Scan the QR code with Trust Wallet or tap the Connect link inside Trust Wallet to initiate pairing. Check the permissions requested, verify the receiving address, and authorize the session only if everything matches. After approval, test a small transfer or view balances to confirm the connection is working properly and securely. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more step-by-step guides. Quick recommendation. I use the Kindle Paperwhite to read while waiting for blockchain confirmations, which makes the downtime pleasant. Check the description for the link and other deals, and consider this as a casual tip tied to staying productive during transfers. Now let's get back to the video. Protect your assets by treating the connection like a sensitive authorization rather than a login. Regularly audit active sessions in Trust Wallet and revoke anything unfamiliar or unused to limit exposure. Use device-level protections such as biometrics and a strong passcode, and avoid authorizing transactions on untrusted networks. If you notice unexpected activity, disconnect the session immediately and consider transferring assets to a fresh wallet after securing your recovery phrase.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.